Guys, today we have another unboxing from Canyon's Cubes, and this one I am pretty excited for. It's the Qiyi FTO magnetic, and although it's obviously not going to replace my main, the Diane, I did get it because I was very interested in the new Qiyi competition that they have up on like their Instagram, their Facebook, and like basically it's like more of a traditional like, oh, whoever submits the fastest salt, like, so I believe there's 6 prizes for like the top 6 finishers, and it's based on the best single that you get on the Qiyi FTO. So yeah, I know it's not gonna, it might be a bit disappointing, the performance of this, but we'll see how it actually is. There. Oh, it looks like there's some other stuff in here before I get to the puzzle. Okay, now it's empty, I believe. Yeah. Let's see. So, oh yeah, congrats on your 9.27 FTO single. Obviously, I'm still very happy about that. I had full confidence in you, but it's still an incredible feat. Enjoy the Qiyi FTO. Okay, thank you so much, Ken, for writing and for sending me this in lieu of that. So there's a bunch of business cards, and each of them there's like a little sticker set. Interesting. So I wonder if these are the ones that he's like, I know there's some sort of sticker set that he's like, some sort of sticker kit that he's planning on making. This is, you know, for the FTO propaganda, the greater the good of the event and all that. So I wonder if this is that, because it seems very packaged, and you know, it's like the right exact size for all the stickers. So yeah, well, I'm curious what exactly is included in these. So here we have, oh, I shouldn't take it. Should I take it out? Okay, yeah. So it's gigantic stickers, FTO of course, and a bunch of smaller stickers like the logo, clock, and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty cool at this point. That looks really nice. I really like. Okay, so to be honest, I absolutely love stickerless puzzles. I think they're easily one of the best decisions that we as a community made for how puzzles should look like going forward, but there's still some sort of beauty in this, like the black outline that resembles a sticker type of puzzle. So how do you open this? Like that? Okay. Okay, so it's not wrapped in anything, it's just the raw puzzle. And before I start turning it, what do they have in here? Okay, so this is sort of a display. There's like an instruction manual in Chinese, of course. Yeah, so now we have the puzzle. Okay, it is a bit smaller already than Diane. I'm so used to the big, gigantic size of the Diane, but the size itself is not bad. I think it's still a bit bigger than Diansheng. Yeah, but I think this is getting closer to the perfect size for an FTO. Okay, it's honestly, it's about as sandy as the Diane was when I first started turning it. But one thing I noticed, obviously, is that it's locking up quite a bit more. Yeah, this is not going to pop either, I think. So they definitely did good on the design there. So, okay, someone said that you can't get a sub 10 on this. What are you talking about? This is more than enough in terms of performance. I think a sub 10 was achievable even on like the Rex TO, and this is better than that, I think, I presume. Oh, okay, I see what they mean. It's very, very, not much flexibility inside. Let's see. The shades look pretty nice. No complaints there. Ooh, the gray, much nicer than this brown for the Diansheng. I wonder how oh, corner cutting is really easy. Oh, okay. I want to put in some lube in this. I heard the Canyon setup works nice, but I think what I'll do is, so I want to put in a little bit of calm and a little bit of dignitas, I guess. Dignitas and gravitas. Oh my god, I can barely turn this. It's so looby. I'm sure doing a solve on this. Oh dear. Oh, okay, okay. The main issue is just it's just so slippery. But it's already breaking in so nicely. Wow. I think this Lubrication is perfect for this. Look how fast that is now. Oh my goodness. That's insane. Okay, 17 is not bad. Not great either, but it's like average. Maybe slower than average for me.